Hello children, today I am going to show you some wild animals. Do you know where do wild animals live? Yes, they live in a forest. So let us have a look at some wild animals. The tiger is the largest member of the cat family. It has a beautiful skin with orange and black stripes. These stripes help the tiger hide in the jungle. The tiger is the national animal of India. The giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world. It has a long neck and a short tail. The giraffe loves to eat leaves and fruits. An elephant is the biggest land animal on the earth. It has a huge body, a long trunk, and two big ears. It has two big tusks, which are very precious. An elephant loves to eat sugar canes and bananas. The zebra is a member of horse family. It has a black and white stripes on its body. The zebra eats grass and leaves. Deer are very beautiful creatures. They are the only group of animals to have antlers. Antlers are found only on males. The female deer is called a doe and the baby deer is called a fawn. Rhinoceros is a large and heavy animal with thick grey or brown skin, short legs, and one or two horns on their nose. They are herbivores and only eat plants. Leopards have a beautiful skin with black spots. They have strong and muscular bodies. They are excellent swimmers and climbers and they run very fast. The giant panda, also known as panda bear, is characterized by large black patches around its eyes, over the ears, and across its round body. Pandas love to eat bamboos, leaves, and stems. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. They cannot fly because their wings are too small, but they are fast runners. They use their wings to help with balance as they run. Ostriches are only found in the wild in Africa. Open to page number 28. In the wild. Read the clues and identify the animals. You can use the clue box to name them. Let us read the clue box first. Tiger, zebra, ostrich, panda, deer, giraffe, leopard, elephant, rhinoceros, frog. Now children, you will look at the pictures very carefully. Read the clues given here. Identify the wild animal and write it in the box given here in lowercase letters only. Let us read the first clue. I have a beautiful skin with black spots. I run very fast. My children knows the answer is leopard. Yes. So with the help of the clue box, you will write the spellings in lowercase letter in the box given here. Let us write L E O P A R T. Now, in the same manner, you are going to read the clues and identify the wild animals. But before we start, let us read Info Bites. Giraffes sleep less than 2 hours a day. They can also stand and sleep for short periods of time. A big elephant drinks about 210 liters of water in a day. Now children, this is your task for the day. Let us read. There are two main types of elephants, Indian and African. Find out more about them. Which type has bigger ears? Now children, you have to solve this question and find out the answer. Once you finish with your work, revise the spellings and upload it on GCR. Thank you.